Today I'm making something called sopa de conchitas con carne molida. This is a delicious Mexican shell pasta soup with ground beef. This is a family favorite. I'm using Roma tomatoes, a piece of onion, garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, shell pasta, ground beef, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, and oil. Here I'm adding the tomatoes to my blender. I'm also going to add the onion, garlic cloves, and chicken bouillon. Then I'm adding 1 cup of water, and I'm going to blend this for about 20 seconds or until smooth. Then I'm going to set it aside for later. Here I've heated up a pot over medium heat and I'm adding a little oil. Once hot, I'm going to add the shell pasta. Then I'm going to give it a stir and I'm going to let it toast for about 5 minutes while stirring frequently. Now that the pasta is nice and toasted, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Next, I'm adding the ground beef to the pot and I'm going to crumble it with my wooden spatula. And I'm going to let this cook until it's completely cooked through. Then I'm adding the garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, and salt, and I'm going to mix that into the ground beef. And now I'm going to return the shell pasta to the pot, and I'm going to add the blended tomato sauce, and I'm going to stir it and let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Then I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And I'm going to let this cook for about 7 minutes or until the pasta is tender. The soup is now ready to be served. I like to serve this soup with some freshly cooked pinto beans. It makes it even more filling and delicious. Today, I decided to garnish it with some chopped green onion and white onion because that's what I had on hand. You could also top it with crumbled queso fresco. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.